Okay. Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Sean Roy with Averta Insurance Solutions. I'm here today making this video to explain the basics in healthcare terminology. Okay, I get asked a lot throughout the year in emails, calls, and texts. What is my deductible, or how does my out-of-pocket max factor in? So I put this together to explain a lot. I hope this helps. Let me pull up this document I made for you guys. So here we go. This document, by the way, is available to you to download and refer to. I'll explain that in a sec. Let's just jump right in. So what is a deductible, right? It is the amount you pay for covered healthcare services before your insurance plan starts to pay. Okay, so with a $2,000 deductible, you're going to pay the first $2,000 of covered services yourself. Once your deductible has been met, you usually only pay a copayment if necessary. Okay, so what is a copayment? A copay is a flat fee that you pay on the spot each time you go to your doctor or fill a prescription, right? So if you get hurt or sick and you go see your doctor, or if you need to fill or refill a prescription, the amount you pay for that doctor visit or for your medicine, that is your copay. So leads us to coinsurance. What is it? Coinsurance is a percentage of a medical charge that you pay, with the rest being paid by your health insurance plan or carrier. Okay, carrier is important to note here. People get confused on this. Carrier is the name of the insurance company paying for your plan, right? So it's Anthem, it's Kaiser, United Healthcare, right? Blue Shield, whoever that is your carrier, not to be confused with your plan name. Okay, so it typically applies after your deductible has been met for the coinsurance. So for example, if you have 20% coinsurance, you pay 20% of each medical bill, okay? And your health insurance or carrier covers the 80%. Now, when you see more than one percentage amount on your summary of benefits, the carrier pays the higher one, okay? So if you see 80-20, that means you're stuck with the 20, they're stuck with the 80, okay? So what is the out-of-pocket max? That is the most you have to pay for covered services in a plan year. Plan year is important to understand. That means it's from the beginning of your effective date. So if your effective date, right, is April 1st, right, that means it's from April 1st to the last day in March, March 31st. That's your plan year. So after you spend this amount on deductibles, co-payments, and coinsurance for in-network care and services, your health plan pays 100% of the cost for covered benefits. So that's pretty nice. So hopefully you guys are looking at plans and you're determining which ones are right for you. That out-of-pocket max is important. If you have a very high out-of-pocket max and you're pretty healthy, that means you're going to be paying a lot more. Okay, so keep that in mind. Obviously, out-of-pocket max is minus the premium, and that's the amount you pay for health insurance every month. So actually, there we go. It leads us to premium. The premium is the amount you pay for your health insurance every month or every pay period. Okay, that's very important to note. A lot of employees are on 26 pay period schedules. So in addition to your premium, you usually have to pay other costs for your healthcare, including deductibles, co-payments, and coinsurance. In most circumstances, if you are a full-time employee, your employer pays 50% of the cost toward your premium for the employer-sponsored healthcare plan. Now, that's also important to note. So if your employer, let's just say they have 10 plans, right? Oftentimes, one of them is the employer-sponsored plan, and that plan is what they cover 50% of. You could usually take that 50% amount for the employer-sponsored plan and roll it into a plan of your choice, using that dollar amount as a credit towards, a richer plan. We'll go over that in another video. Okay, so I hope that helps. So that document is available to you on the agency website for Averta. Let me show you how to find it. If you go to the Averta website, right, it's going to look like this or something like this. You might see a different photo or slider image when you're browsing around. Actually there, so you can click on this one, right, to go to the resource library. It's also right here, and there's also a button at the bottom footer. But once you get to the resource page of the site, you're going to see the section for employees. Browse down, you're going to see it right here, Insurance Solutions, the basics and healthcare terminology. You click that guy, and up comes this document for you to download, print, or just refer to in the future. Okay. This section of the site, by the way, is pretty key for you guys. It shows you a lot of videos letting you determine if any additional coverage is a good idea for you guys to pick up. It's also got a lot of nice links for you to refer to. Here again in the footer is the resource button. You can click that guy and it comes right to the page. Get your resources. All right. I hope this video helps and have a great day.